Hey guys, it's Alec again, here with another tutorial, and probably with the most useful tutorial you will ever need. And this is how to convert your entire Guitar Hero 3 song list into use for Clone Hero. So roughly what that means is that whatever SGH you have imported inside of your Guitar Hero 3, or any SGH files you want converted to Clone Hero, you will be able to convert it in a couple of clicks using a program made by Goulart GH. I do not know if I'm pronouncing his name correctly. I'm sorry, dude, but I will have a link down to his channel and a link down to this program down below in the description. So, first things first is that, assuming that you're making the move to Guitar Hero 3 over to Clone Hero, you probably still have your Guitar Hero 3 stuff installed. It requires some files from GHTCP. So if you don't know what GHTCP is, that's Guitar Hero 3 Control Panel. It's what you use to import all of your customs into Guitar Hero 3 ever since like 2011. If you weren't using that, I don't know what the fuck you were doing. So the first thing that you're going to have to do is you're going to open up the file location, and you're going to see these files right here. You're going to see backup and log. Now, just to double check that you want to have all of your songs inside of Clone Hero, we're gonna go look into the song list that you have. So I pretty much reinstalled Guitar Hero 3 for the sake of this tutorial, and so this is like what the general process would have to be. We do not have any customs whatsoever. This is wholly vanilla Guitar Hero 3 song set list right here. To get the songs that we want, and for maximum organization purposes, we're going to hit Create Setlist, and then go into Game Management and click on SGH Setlist Switch. I'm mostly positive that everybody knows how this process goes. For this example, we are going to be using my setlist, Asai 28 setlist 0.3. So we are going to switch the newly created setlist that we have right here. Click Open, and then it says Setlist Switching. You wish to import all contained data. Doesn't matter, so just click Yes, and then we wait. Alright, so our setlist is now loaded in. That fucking mess is over, so go ahead and hit Apply Setlist Changes, and go ahead and execute the actions. Alright, and we're good with that. So, we have our setlist. We're good. We got our customs. This is what we want. Do not import any other set list at the moment. So we're going to just close out of Guitar Hero 3 Control Panel. And we are going to go back to this folder right here that we opened earlier, where we talked about the backup and the log folders. So we're going to copy both the backup and log folder. So go ahead and hit Control-C after selecting those. And then we go to the directory of GH3 to CH. Go ahead and paste them in, and then we wait for it to copy in. So now that these are in, go ahead and run the exe called ghtcp.exe. It's called this because this is mostly what the program is written from. Most of the code is written mostly out of open Guitar Hero 3 PC. So we're going to run this, and now it's going to come up with a command box. It's going to say, choose the folder where you want to save the extracted songs to. We'll just go for the sake of tutorial and save it on our desktop, and we're going to name this one Asai 28 Setlist 0.3 because that's the name of the set list we are wanting to extract. And we go ahead and click OK, and then it'll say, do you want to export GH3's on-disk songs? Warning, they will not have sections when extracted. So if you don't have GH3 already for Clone Hero, then you can go ahead and click Yes. If you don't have it, then you can go ahead and click No. I already have them installed, so I can just click No. We just purely want our songs. So, and also the language that we installed my setlist on was in English. So we're gonna go highlight English, and then we're gonna click OK. So now, let's see. Check it out. It's extracting all of my songs on my setlist right here. As you can see, it's also skipping on-disk songs as well. This program has no choice but to extract every single song that it has installed in Guitar Hero 3. So this is essentially the closest that we are going to get to an SGH extractor. And all I have to say is that this is probably the best piece of software that that will help people make the move from Guitar Hero 3 PC over to Clone Hero. And see, just like that, it's fucking over. So we go ahead and exit. We have our Clone Hero ready set list right here, and there it is. There's all of my songs from my set list that you guys know. We got Schmutz 06, we got Preben Sorensen, we got fucking all the dubstep shit that we like, we got all the memes, we got all the rap songs, all in here, and all we have to do is drag the newly created folder into our Clone Hero songs. See, I already have it created in here since I was testing out the software last night, but I wanted to make one for a tutorial. But for the sake of the tutorial, might as well move it in, and I can show you guys exactly how well this program worked. So we just drag it in, no time wasted at all. Then we go ahead and load up Clone Hero. There we go. Hit play. Get my guitar ready. I have an awful lot of songs, including the entire GH set list, so forgive me. We can go all the way up, and we can see every single song from my set list is now in here. And it works like no problem. We'll play some Lil Pump.
Oh, yeah. Lil Pump. Yeah.
Yep, see, now, that's pretty much how you convert, roughly, that is like how you convert an SGH into a playable format for Clone Hero. Now, if you want to go ahead and import another set list from Clone Hero, or I mean from GH3 to Clone Hero, you can go ahead and go back into your Guitar Hero 3 control panel, the original one. Go ahead, File, Open Game Settings. The most effective way to do this is just go to another language. It's fine. And then we can go ahead and create a new set list, and then we repeat the process here with another set of songs. And that's pretty much it for the tutorial. I hope you guys understood that. If you have any questions, leave them down below. I really hope it doesn't have to do with installing Guitar Hero 3, because I really hope you already had Guitar Hero 3 installed. So, thank you, guys, and have a good one.